Students, in this video we'll learn notice writing. You'll learn how to write notices for the school notice board.
What is notice writing? A notice is a written or printed news, announcement or information. It is a short composition. It may contain news or information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. It may be a formal announcement of public importance. It can be about a meeting, an event, an excursion, a historical trip, a picnic, or lost and found. Remember, the very first notices that you wrote were lost and found notices. Let's find out the purpose of writing a notice. Notices are effective means of disseminating information related to different issues or occasions. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards in schools or colleges or in public places or published in the newspaper. You'll be asked to write notices for the school notice board. Let's look at the format of notice. The first thing that you mention is name of the institution or organization issuing the notice, followed by the word notice. It may be written in bold letters to make it more catchy. Students, you may also write the word notice first, followed by the name of institution or organization issuing the notice. Both are correct. You can either write the name of the institution first, followed by the word notice, or you can write the word notice followed by the name of the institution. Both these details are to be written in the center of the page. Then you have to write the date of issuing notice, and this has to be written on the left hand. Then comes heading or caption. Caption also is written in the center of the page. Heading or caption should state the event that is going to take place or whatever the notice is about, and it has to be short. Then the body of the notice. Body of the notice should have the following details: date, time, venue, event, and any other detail given in the question. Then name of the issuing authority and designation or post of the issuing authority. Both these things are written again on the left hand side. There are some points that you have to remember while writing notices. Notices should be presented within a box. After writing the notice, you have to draw a box. Word limit for a notice is 50 words. So only the most important points should be written. They should be written in passive voice as far as possible, and use third person. Do not use pronouns like I, we, you, etc. Information given in the notice should be clear and not ambiguous. It should not lead to any doubt or any confusion. Let's also look at the marking scheme. Notice carries 4 marks, and let's see the breakup of marks. Format carries 1 mark. Format means the word notice, name of the institution or organization issuing notice, date, heading, name and designation of the issuing authority. If all these informations have been given, then you get 1 mark. Then 2 marks for content. Content should have what, when, where, how and other details, which means the event, the date, the venue and any other detail that is given in the question. Expression carries 1 mark. Expression means overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. Now let's see a sample notice. First of all, name of the institution issuing notice, Kendriya Vidyalaya ABC, followed by the word notice. Then on the left hand side, Date of issuing notice, that is 10th September 2019. Inter-house debate competition, this is the caption. And now the body of the notice. The Vidyalaya is going to organize an inter-house debate competition on the topic Nuclear Armament, India's Best Defense Against Terrorism on 20th December 2019, 10 am onwards in the multipurpose hall. Those interested may give their names to their respective house masters by 15th December. For details, contact the undersigned. XYZ, that is the name of the person issuing notice. CCA in charge is the designation of the person issuing notice. Sometimes students get confused and write the topic of the debate as caption. That is wrong. One has to mention the event and not the topic. So it can't be Nuclear Armament, India's Best Defense Against Terrorism. No, this is the topic of the debate. The notice is about inter-house debate competition. The event will be the caption or the heading of the notice. Now suppose you have to write the same notice, but in an easier manner. You can do so like this. It can also be written in this fashion. Kendriya Vidyalaya ABC followed by word notice followed by the date 10th December 2019, then caption inter-house debate competition. The Vidyalaya is going to organize an inter-house debate competition. Topic Nuclear Armament, India's Best Defense Against Terrorism. Date 20th December 2019. Time 10 am onwards. Venue multipurpose hall. Those interested may give their names to their respective house masters by 15th December. For details, contact the undersigned. XYZ CCA in charge. So you may write in the manner that suits you best. Thank you.